Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to turn on dark mode on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now from the bottom navigation bar, click on the profile picture. Click on three horizontal lines from the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the settings. Then tap on the theme from the bottom of your screen. Under the set theme, you will see the dark option, tap on it. And you will successfully activate the dark mode on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to turn on dark mode on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.